Cavite State University Main Campus, also known as CVSU. I am Atikima, proud tourism student, and I will be your tour guide for today. I can't wait to show you around our beautiful campus we call home, and I know you're all excited for this tour, but before we start, I have some friendly reminders. Follow the safety guidelines because your safety is our top priority. If you hear me whistle once, it means we are moving, and if you hear me whistle twice, it means look at me and pay attention. And if you hear me whistle thrice, it means gather around. And I have here a flag, color green, and when I raise this, it means it is safe to walk and follow me. While if I raise yellow flag, it means slow down and be careful. So let us start our journey here at International House 2, or also known as IH2. As you can see, it has 3 floors, which is the third floor served as the female dormitory, and the first floor served as the marketing center, which the students' needs can find here, like the basic books, the other merch like the university's uniform, CDSU uniform, PE uniform, and lanyards, and many more. So this marketing center is open from Monday to Thursday, 7 a.m. to 5 p.m. So that's all for International House 2, and we're now going to our next stop. That's all. Thank you, and I hope you enjoyed this stop. Thank you. Now let us take a short talk to our university's most dynamic spot, which is the CVSU bleachers, ayan, and the grandstand. So as you can see, we have the main oval or the athletic field, which has a 400 meters wide measurement, where the university's concerts, events, and like sports fest, which is the U Games na kakatapos lamang, dyan nagaganap yun. Dyan nangyayari lahat yan. And dyan sa main oval or the athletic field, allowed tayong mga students and other outsiders. Pero sa mga outsiders pala, may mga konting fee lang na babayaran para makapag-jog and simple jog, walking, running kayo sa field sa main oval. So this CVSU bleachers and the main oval, it has open areas like basketball area, volleyball area, and the CVSU tennis court. So I guess that's all for the CVSU grandstand and bleachers. You can now enjoy your free time to take pictures of the surroundings. So thank you. As you can see right in front of you, you will see the gate 1, which serves as an entrance for vehicles. Yun nga yung mga students, yung mga content. Ito yung dinadaan nila pamasok. Ito yung mga tricycles. While in the outer, you will see the guard house, which serves naman as the pinakestayan naman ng mga guards natin. And there, you will see our polite and down-to-earth na guards. Over there, you will see the open field, which serves as the softball field, and of course, this is where softball players play. Ayan. Napakalawak, di ba makikita nyo? Sobrang green ng grass. Now, let us head over to the CVSU Science High School. I know there are lots of wise and smart students enrolled here because it offers a science curriculum for junior and senior high school. Do you guys want to know a secret? Okay, so many of students here participate in regional and national conference and competitions because they are naturally smart and wise. And other students pursue their colleges here. And now, as we step inside, you will see the very special figure, the statue of Don Claverin Teres Ala, the man whom our university is named after. Did you know that Don Severino was a teacher and a lawyer and an advocate of education? His contributions to the advancement of the learning environment here in CVSU are laid in the foundation of Cavite State University main campus. And this statue stands not just a tribute simply to his name but as a symbol of CDSU's values, the truth, excellence, and service. It reminds every Science High School students that they are walking the halls of legacy built on dedication, intellect, and desire to uplift the Filipino youth. Welcome to the College of Tourism and Hospitality Management, or CTHM. For future global hoteliers, events managers, chefs, and tourism professionals who were trained to serve with service, excellent, and heart. So, alam niyo ba na noong January 23, 2025 ay nagkaroon ng sariling department at college ang CTHM? Dahil dati kabilang ang course na Tourism at Hospitality Management sa College of Education, or kung tawagin natin ay SED. Yon. So this room you see are dyan nag-room yung mga CTHM students, and as far as I know, nag-room din dyan yung mga EDUC students or the SED students. And inside this CTHM room, you will see the quadrangle, where in quadrangle you can stay and tambay with your friends and while waiting for your next class. And you'll see there also the College of Education, or the SED. So the CTHM Dean is Dr. Catherine D. Perren. And now we just arrived at the home of the future builders, mentors, and educators here at CVSU, the College of Education, or mostly known as SED. And this department produces licensed professional teachers across various majors like English, Science, Filipino, Mathematics, Early Childhood, and TLE, or the Technology and Livelihood Education. While the dean here is Dr. Lisa A. Costa. But can I ask you a few questions?
Yes po.
Are you still doing good?
Medyo nauuhaw na po.
Okay, you can drink your water. Okay, alright. Let's go to the next destination. Welcome po sa ating Cavite State University Main Campus Administration Building. So, before maging Cavite State University Main Campus, ang ating universidad ay dati itong pangalan ay Don Severino Agricultural College, which means yung administration building before naman ay that time ay nandito yung mga principals, college administrators, and coordinators. So at this time, ang ating administration building ay daan natin makikita ang office ng ating university president, which is si Dr. Agnes P. Nuestro, at ang ating vice president for academic affairs naman na si Dr. Christina M. Sino. Dito rin mismo sa administration building, dito rin natin malalaman na dito ginagawa ang mga importanteng discussion, policies at plano para sa ikagaganda ng ating pinakamamahal na universidad. And ayun, so madaming dumadaan dyan ng mga papeles, dyan mo nadadaan kasi andyan yung ating president at vice president. So, ano pa ba? That's all I think. So, that's all for administration building, and we're going to our next stop. Thank you! Now, we arrived at College of Engineering and Information Technology, or CEIT. Dito raw wala yung magaganda at pogi ng mga car guy and car girls kaso mga cheaters. While this department was built on 1976, and this CEIT offers programs like architecture, electrical, electronics, computer science, and of course, the information technology. And this CEIT also produces skilled programmers, licensed engineers, and board top-notchers. The dean here is Dr. Billy C. Buklatin. That's all. You can now enjoy your remaining time and have a learning photos. Thank you! And now we just arrived at one of the most heartwarming part of the CVSU, the Child Development Center, or the CDC. Dito palagi tuwing umaga, maraming mga nanay at tatay na hinahatid yung mga junakis nila like tuwing 7 a.m. para pumasok sa eskwelahan na ito, paaralang ito. And this center serves as the laboratory preschool, which is under by the College of the Education, or the SED. And obviously, it is primarily taken care of the College of Education. And it is where early childhood education students get hands-on and teaching experience while young children enjoys a safe and nurturing and creative learning environment. Doon naman, nakikita niyo po ang Gate 2 which serves as the main exit and back gate of the university. And also, it serves as the convenient shortcut naman for students na ang college or department ay like CEIT, the SED, and other departments na malalapit. And also the CDC or the Child Development Center. Hi! Hello! Okay, so pasensya po at inabot na po tayo ng ulan sa ating tour. Ayan. And we are on our halfway of our destination. So, we are on the graduate school or the open learning school of the CVSU main campus. And did you know that in 1992, Cavite State University formally established the graduate school to offer advanced education in various fields? And also, it is fostered to design advanced research, professional development, and the drive to continue the excellence of the university. If you look away po, you will see the Japanese art, which means, syempre, Japanese art, it is originated from Japan. It represents the broader horizons, which means the students around the world can enroll here and learn the research, creativity, and innovation. Because the Japanese art is originated from Japan, Japan offers various offers more scholarships that Cavite State University students can enroll like the field of education and agriculture. So, okay pa ba kayo?
Yes po.
So, yun. So, if you look on your right side po, you will see the old SEMS building, which means the SEMS is College of Economics, Management, and Development Studies, where it is the home of future entrepreneurs, development workers, and policymakers ng bansa. At yung una naging tahanan ng mga pioneers and professors yung old SEMs. Dahil kilala tayo bilang state university, which means we have lots of students can enroll here, mas kinailangan ng CVSU, ng ating universidad, ng malaking gusali. Kaya nagkaroon tayo ng new SEMS building na makikita natin sa ating station 4, which is the last station. Doon naman, itong college or department na to ay nag-offer ng economics, business management, international studies, public administration, and agribusiness management, and entrepreneurship. The dean here is Dr. Maria Soledad M. Leasing. So, sa likod niyo naman po, makikita niyo po ang College of Arts and Sciences or CAS. Ito naman yung pinaka-diverse at dynamic na department dito sa Cavite State University main campus. Dito rin nagsimula ang support unit programs, pero eventually, nag-develop rin sa mga degree programs at naging tahanan ng specialized development programs. So recently po, ang CAS department or the College of Arts Sciences ay nag-offer ng madaming degree like the psychology, social work, and political science, and meron ding bago na course which is the development communication na kakabukas lamang nitong year. Ang building na po ayan ay may mga lecture rooms and laboratory rooms which is for the psychology students and the biological sciences students. And the dean here is Dr. Amy P. Ferrer. And that's all for CAS department. Thank you. So, welcome po sa ating CVSU Museum or the Museo de CVSU. Dito po natin makikita at mas malalaman, mapapag-aralan ang pinagmulan, kasaysayan at kultura ng ating universidad. Ito po ay binuksan noong March 20, 2023 kasabay ng CVSU Foundation Day. So, while inside, pag pumasok kayo, makikita niyo po doon yung mga historical documents, exhibits, projects, and objects na mga nagamit noong ito ay agricultural college pa lamang. And dito rin natin malalaman yung project called The Life and Legacy of Don Severino de las Alas noong October 30, 2024. So, this documentary is all about the life and the contributions of Don Severino de las Alas to the CVSU University, as well as the Philippine history. And that's all. Sana okay pa kayo. And I will give you 20 minutes time to enjoy your surroundings and take a picture also inside the museum. Now, we just arrived at our library. Did you know that noong Don Severino Agricultural College pa lamang ang ating university ang ating library ay isang simpleng reading room pa lamang?
No.
Oh, okay. So, yon. You heard it right. And, yon. Bale, habang tumatagal ang panahon, syempre, mas lalong nakikilala ang ating university since madaming gusto makapasok dito. At dahil doon, mas lumawak ang collection ng books and other resources na nagmula sa agriculture, education, research, science, and other fields. So, you will see that it has 6 floors. And syempre, our library is now has a modern digital preferences. It has elevator, ayan. It has 6 floors, and also it has free Wi-Fi where you can use free use of mobile phones, internets, and other computers. Basta may ano ka lang, like yung sticker nila na for semester na pwede kang makapasok sa loob ng library. And beside it naman, you will see the Science Cafe by Cafe Severino na pinaka-famous na cafe sa loob ng university, which you can relax inside because of its, the relaxing ambience of the, around. You can order many drinks like coffee and other pastries. So, at the front of the Ladislao and Diwa Memorial Library and Museum, you will see the Research Extension Building, where the university's most needed building that foster scientific, agricultural, and community-based research. Diyan nyo rin makikita yung mga nagawang research ng mga students and na-guided ng mga faculty rin doon sa Extension Research Building. Sa loob naman niya, andyan din yung mga offices ng DOST or the Department of Science and Technology and Department of Agriculture and CHED na nag-guide rin sa mga students na nagkasagawa ng mga research or thesis sa kanilang mga preferred courses. So, that's a wrap. We will be talking about the Centennial Jar. And now, we just arrived at Centennial Jar of our university. Alam niyo ba na noong Don Severino Agricultural College pa lamang ang ating university ay napagkasundoan ng pamunuan na magkaroon ng time capsule ang ating university upang magsilbing alaala sa nakaraan at sa hinaharap. And you will see the Centennial Jar in front of the International House 1 and beside the Ladislao and Diwa Memorial Library and Museum. Dito naman sa jar na to, sa loob ng jar na yan, sa bangang yan, ay makikita mo ang mga importanteng dokumento, sulat, larawan, at artifacts na sumasalamin sa unang 100 years ng ating CVSU na university mula pa noong ito ay Don Severino Farm School pa lamang noong 1906. Ang hugis na bangang ito or yung jar na ito ay hindi lamang palamuti kundi ito ay nag-symbolize ng tradisyon, kultura at kasaysayan sa ating university. Sa kulturang Pilipino, of course, ang banga ay nagkasalamin sa bagay na pag-iimbak ng mga mahalagang bagay. Kaya't bagay na bagay ito sa ating tradisyon dito sa university na upang paglagyan magagandang memorya at alaala ng ating university. Layunin ng Centennial Jar naman na i-preserba ang mga memorya ng CVSU para sa mga susunod na henerasyon. And pwede mo rin siyang lagyan ulit ng mga like important documents and larawan and artifacts in the next 100 years. So that's all. We will be arriving to our next destination, which is the IH1 or the International House 1. This in front of me, you will see the yan, behind you po, makikita niyo po ang IH1 or the International House 1, which serves as the second home of the CTHM students or the College of Tourism and Hospitality Management students na sa first floor, makikita niyo po yung mga laboratory rooms like the IH kitchens, yan, and also the second floors. While on the third floor, you will see the rooms are being used by the College of Medicine students temporarily because their department or their college is currently renovating. And ayun nga, so bale ito ay pinaka house or second home ng mga tourism and hospitality management students. Now we're on our last station, the station 4. And right in front of you, you will see the Inang Kalikasan or the mother statue of our university. And this symbolizes the university's deep commitment to the environmental sustainability, agriculture, and the nurturing of life. So, what's interesting about Inang Kalikasan or the mother statue is that it is not just a statue, but it is a reflection of CBSE's mission in agricultural education and to preserve and protect the whole university surroundings, because its surroundings is the more on forest green, like the trees, ganyan, plants. So that's all for Inang Kalikasan. While in her right side, you will see the Saloy, which is the famous canteen of the university. Dito madalas bumibili yung mga, syempre malalapit ng mga department like the College of Nursing, the College of Veterinary and Medical Sciences, the development students and the nursing students and other. So it has expensive foods. While in front of the Inang Kalikasan, you will see the Lagoon and Leisure Park, where you can relax and have some free time or leisure time with your friends, like because it has various species and other aquatic animals. Beside the lagoon, you will see the College of Nursing or TACON. So, itinatag ang College of Nursing noong October 18, 2005 sa bisa ng Board of Regents Resolution number 48, Series 2005. At currently, ay nire-renovate ang College of Nursing because may mga iradagdag silang mga courses na i-offer sa mga students. So, in the College of Nursing, the dean there is Dr. Evelyn M. Dolmado. While in the front of the College of Nursing, you will see the Hostel Tropicana, the training ground of the hospitality students dito sa CVSU Indang main campus. Ang place na ito ay hands-on classroom nila dito at dito nila pinapractice yung mga hotel management, bookings, events, at other customer services na related to their courses. And now, it is currently also under renovation because it is para mas preserve siya as the modern and industry ready. Hostel Tropicana consists of conference rooms, laboratory, aircon rooms, and other booking systems na parang totoong hotel. Kaya once na matapos ang renovations, ay magiging isa ito sa pinaka-the best na training hostel sa buong region and sa buong Cavite. So, welcome to CVSU Agri-Ecotourism Park. Nandito tayo sa 5 hectares farm site ito sa Don Severino de las Alas campus. Indilunsad ito noong July 15, 2021 at na-accredit ito ng Department of Tourism or the DOT bilang official agritourism farm noong January 8, 2023. Makikilala nyo rin si Rufa at Ralph, ang mami at ang baby kalabaw sa loob ng Agri-Ecotourism Park na nakatingin sa globe na nagkisimbolo ng pangalan ng CVSU na naging world class pero rooted sa agriculture pa rin. So may dalawang daan entrance papasok sa loob ng park. Sa kaliwa ay ang hagdan ng kasaysayan, 100 steps na nagkasabi ng history ng CVSU mula 1906. Sa kanan naman ang tulay ng karunungan, isang hanging bridge na buhay kailangan ng balance. So sa ilalim naman may ilog, minsan may tubig, minsan wala. And sa paligid naman and surroundings ay makikita nyo naman yung mga halaman at tanim na may labels na part rin ito ng buong Agri-Ecotourism Park. So that's all for our day tour. I am now signing off and I am Kim, your official tour guide for this day tour, and I am hoping na madami kayo natutunan at maibabaon ng mga learning sa mga susunod na tour. So that's all and that's our up. Thank you. Bye-bye!